Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the Carnival Elephant does in Grey Garden. Again, I haven't gotten it yet, so if you want to know what it looks like this. I'll insert an image right now. It is a divine pet, and basically it is obtainable via the Carnival Egg. You'll have a 0.5% chance of getting it. And the abilities for it is that the show must go on. When a pet finishes their ability, there is a small chance the ability is activated again. You cannot have two pets of the same type for this passive to activate, except Carnival Elephants. So you can have more than one Carnival Elephants in your garden. In your garden, but you cannot have you cannot have two of the same pet that has like the same trait, I guess. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.